All right, let's take a look at number 3. So number 3 says, if Manuel deposits 25% of $130, so already we know that this is some portion of $130, 25%. So if he puts 25% of $130 in his savings account, how much is he depositing? Well, we can look at this as some fraction, and so per centum, this is a Latin phrase for the word percent. Per centum is also another way of saying per 100. And so a percent is just some number out of 100. So in this case, 25% is another way of saying 25 over 100. Well, we can reduce that, right? So 25 goes into 100 4 times. So let's represent that. 25 times 1 over 25 times 4. And so 25 times 4 equals 100. 25 times 1 is 25. What I'm trying to do is find some number that both this number up here and this number down here have in common so that I can reduce it. And so when these 25s cancel out, right, they go away because 25 divided by 25 is just 1. I'm left with the fraction 1 over 4. Now, that's a pretty roundabout way of saying I need to take this fraction 1 over 4 and multiply it by 130. And so what do we get when we divide 130 by 4? 130 divided by 4. Well, let's look at our options. 25 times 4 is 100, so it can't be that. This number's too small, right? If I multiplied this number by 4, it wouldn't give me 130. Well, 97.5 times 4 is a really big number, so it can't be that. So the only option that makes sense is going to be C, $32.50, because when we multiply that number by 4, it'll give us 130.